Hi guys, so I want to show you how you can create video for a YouTube channel or for a TikTok using AI from beginning to the ending without showing your face, without having to record anything from your phone. You're going to use AI to generate the images and also use AI to generate the voice. So first of all, you will need the topic or title for your video. So if you have a title already, you can write your script by yourself, or you can use ChatGPT to help you in writing your script. So I do not have a script already written down, so I'm going to use ChatGPT to write my script. Okay, so I'll go to a new uh chat and I will type in the title of my video. So I'm going to write a prompt for it. This is the title already, so I'm going to generate a short script, a short video script for the above title. Add visual suggestion for each scene, then I'll send it. Okay, so this is just like a 30 seconds video. Okay, very short. So what am I going to do next is I'm going to create images for each of these scene. Now the narration is there. It was just an ordinary morning, or so I thought, and so on and so forth. So the visual suggestion here is that a close-up shot of a city street. So I'm going to copy this and put it in my uh image generation tool. So I'm going to do that. So I'm putting in the prompt to generate the image into my whisk. I'm using whisk this time around. So pixel style image of a close. I just copy from what is in ChatGPT and copy it here. I will add the style that I want. Remember, I added my style. Then I'll click on generate. So I have my image ready. I'm going to download. So I'm going to do the same thing for all the. I'll go back here, copy this next scene visual suggestion. Okay, I'll copy it, take it back to the image. I'll prompt it again and just add it until I am done generating. So now I'm done generating all my images. So next thing I want to do is to generate my audio. So I'll go to my audio, the tool that I'm going to use to do the audio. I will go ahead and open it now. So this is the audio tool that I'm going to use. It's called fish.audio. Fish.audio. I'll drop the link in the WhatsApp group. Now I have copied my video script, but I want to edit it so that I will remove all the things that are not needed. So I'll paste it somewhere where I can just edit before I put it in the video, in the audio generating tool. Okay, so I'll start from beginning and remove all these things. I'll just, what I'm just going to leave there is the narration, which is just the story. Okay, it's just the narration. I'll remove all this visual suggestion because it's not needed. I'll just leave only what the person is saying, which will be the voice that we want to hear. Okay, so I'll do that for everything until I'm so now that I've removed all the extra things on the I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy the script and I'll paste it in the audio generating tool. This is it. Okay, I am after I've done that, I'll choose the voice that I want to use. So there are different voice model here. I just want to choose one that matches what I want to use. So I'm going to look for a voice like a child's voice. Okay, like a child voice or a female voice. Okay, okay, let me check this.
OMG, guys, just finished customizing my streaming setup and it's literally so aesthetic. Got these cute pink LED
So this
lights
is a
and
nice
kawaii
voice,
cat
so I'm
ear
going to
headphones.
select this and I'm going to click on use voice. Okay, so here I will paste my script. I've pasted my script here and I'll click on generate and play. So now it's generating.
It was just an ordinary morning, or so I thought. I hopped on the bus, ready to scroll through my phone until
Now
I reached
the
my stop.
voice
Then I noticed an elderly
is
man
done
struggling to find a
generating.
seat. I hesitated for a moment, then offered him mine. His simple thank you reminded me kindness costs nothing, but means everything.
Okay, so the voice is already done generating and I'm going to click on download. Now it's downloaded. Okay, so the next thing is to head to my I'm using CapCut to do this, so I'm going to go to CapCut now and add all the images I generated earlier and also add this voice to it. Let's go to CapCut. So this is my CapCut interface. I'm going to click on new project, then I'm going to select photos and I'll select all the photos that I have generated from the script. Okay, there are about 6 of them. I'll click on add photos. So this is the photo and we are going to now add the voice over. Okay, so because the voice over is just about 15 seconds long, I'm just going to reduce this so that it can fit into the into the voice. Okay, so we are going to add our voice over now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, it's just similar to InShot. I'll click add audio, then I will go and look for the audio. I'll click on sound, then I'll click on this that looks like a folder to select from my folder, and I'll click on device like this. Okay, so that it can be taken uh from my phone gallery. So I'm going to select the audio. So there's something I'm doing here is to rename the audio file so that I can easily locate it. So I just renamed it to lesson on the bus. Then I'm going to go to CapCut again, click on device. I will search for it, lesson. Okay, it's even here. Okay, this is the voice. Let's play it to be sure it's the one. Okay, all right. So after searching lesson on a bus, I have it here. So I'm just going to add it. And
It was just an ordinary morning, or so I thought. I hopped on the bus, ready to scroll through my phone until I reached my stop. Then I noticed an elderly man struggling to find a seat. I hesitated for a moment, then offered him mine. His simple thank you reminded me kindness costs nothing but means everything.
so I'm just going to adjust this. I'm also going to adjust few of the clips to fit into into the voice. Okay, so let's see
Until I
again.
reached my stop. Then I noticed an elderly man
So I'm just going to adjust this also.
struggling to find a seat. I hesitated for a moment, then offered him
Okay, so you can
mine.
see,
His simple thank you reminded me kindness costs nothing but means everything.
you can see we have just to adjust to fit in. Then I can do um caption to generate the voice from here. So I'm just going to click on default and generate the caption.
Morning, or so I
So you
thought.
can
I
see
hopped on
this
the bus,
caption
ready to
already
scroll through my
generated.
phone until I reached my stop. Then I noticed an elderly man struggling to
So
find a
caption
seat. I
is when you
hesitated for a
are
moment,
trying
then
to
offered him
write
mine. His
something
simple
on the
thank you
screen.
reminded me
Okay,
kindness costs nothing but means everything.
now you can also add text. Okay, let's add some text to the last part of this, and I'm going to click on text to add some text. Add text. I have a text already copied. Okay, let me go and copy it again. I can't find it here. Kindness costs nothing but means a thing. So I want to write this on the screen. I want to write this on the screen. I'm going to reduce it to fit in, and I'm going to change the font style to something more beautiful. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, I love this purple, so I'll just put it up here, and I am done. I'll reduce it so it fits. So there is a black. So let's play the video once
It
again.
was just an ordinary morning, or so I thought. I hopped on the bus, ready to scroll through my phone.
Now let's add some transition. Okay, so I'm just going to choose something. Let's see how this
I
is.
hopped on the bus, ready to. It's
Let's
an
see.
ordinary morning, or so I thought. I hopped on the bus, ready.
Okay, so I'm going to add it to all. Apply to all. So it applies to all the clips. Then when it's done, I can animate each of this image. So I'll click on the image that I want to animate. I'll click on animation. So you can see different animation here. So I'm just going to choose
It
one.
was
Let me choose this
it was
baby. Okay, so I like this. So I'll animate the second, animate the second until I animated all the old. So now I'm done animating all. So let's play the video and see what it looks
It
like.
was just an ordinary morning, or so I thought. I hopped on the bus, ready to scroll through my phone until I reached my stop. Then I noticed an elderly man struggling to find a seat. I hesitated for a moment, then offered him mine. His simple thank you reminded me kindness costs nothing but means everything.
Okay, so we are done. Next thing is to export the video. Click on export and click on save to device. Then your video will be exported. Please take note that CapCut has a free and a paid version. So you may not be able to use all the features that I use here because I'm using the paid version, the premium version. So in your own free version, you may not be able to use everything that I have used here, but you can still use it to edit your videos just the way I did it. So this is how you can use AI to create video from beginning to the ending. Okay.